My name's Colt Nash. I'm a PhD student at the University of Adelaide. I study the immune system, specifically related to a viral infection at the single cell level. So I sort the cells and process them over at SAMRI using their equipment, which is very nice. As a person with dyslexia, I read about 3 times slower and process information in a literary sense 3 times slower as well. So what might take someone 3 hours to do some work would give me 9 hours. I've tried everything. I've literally have tried every single software available. Unless something's come out in the last 6 months that is different, I'd honestly given up. And when I was informed about Dragon for Mac, I was skeptical, obviously, because I had tried them all. I mean, this is what makes this time any different. And during the one-on-one training, when I think I was going through a word called hemorrhagic fever, and I was kind of joking as if, I wonder if it would pick up hemorrhagic fever. And it actually wrote that out there the first time, and I was almost in tears, because that was just amazing. Just to have something just blow me away like this is just, thank you. I really appreciate it, because I could not do what I do with the efficiency that I'm doing it without the software. So I use Dragon Medical Mac. I do the bulk of my writing in the evenings. During the day, in the mornings, I go over my notes, and then I begin the experiments for the day. I use the software to, record any dictations that I have as I'm in, biosafety level specific areas that I can't use my hands. I would just click the on button for the microphone and then go, and then click it off and I'm done, which is really nice because it syncs right up with my iPhone. So I can have my iPhone in my pocket, be listening with my headset while I'm doing an experiment, and it syncs up directly with my Mac, and I don't even have to take off my gloves. People who provide the software to me was Voice Recognition Australia. Experiments, they take time, and one thing is not a luxury in research, especially, is time. With the one-on-one 2-hour training, they gave me everything I needed to know, and then I was able to hit the ground running, for sure. The approach was very easily, relatable, because the person who trained me knew the software, used the software, knew the technology, understood how the program worked. It wasn't just someone with a certification who just comes out and and bangs on the pipes. They actually knew how to fix the problem if there was a problem, and gave you situations in which you might have difficulty, and showed you how to navigate around those. I have to say that it's the first time in my life that just someone with dyslexia, I've actually felt normal. I haven't felt like I have something lacking, or can't do something as fast as someone else. I'm able to run just as fast as everyone else, and it's really been great. I really appreciate it, and it's really changed my life, to be honest. So it's really good software, to be honest with you. I expected me to have to pull at least 50% of the weight, and I spend my time actually getting work done and not worrying about inputting information. So that's really helpful.